Today I'm diving into Passbolt, a self-hosted, open-source password manager that's tailored for teams, especially those working in development or IT. Right from the start, what stands out is that Passbolt is built around GPG encryption, which makes it much more secure by design, but also a bit more technical to set up than your typical consumer password manager. Once you get past the initial setup, especially if you're hosting it yourself, the interface is clean and focused. You won't find a flashy UI here like you might see with commercial tools, but it's extremely functional. The focus is clearly on secure team collaboration rather than personal use. Creating and sharing credentials is straightforward, but everything is enforced with permission control and audit logs, which is ideal for companies who need accountability. The browser extension is a must-have. It allows you to autofill and save credentials, although it doesn't always recognize every login form perfectly. Still, it performs reliably for most websites. You do need to have your GPG keys configured, which can be a learning curve for those unfamiliar with encryption keys and command line tools. What I really liked was the way Passbolt handles password sharing. Instead of storing a master password on a remote server, everything is encrypted on your side using GPG. This means that only the intended recipient can decrypt the password. From a privacy standpoint, this is a big win. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. However, it's not all perfect. There are no mobile apps available right now, and that's a huge downside for teams who are always on the move. You'll need to access it from a browser or desktop extension only. Also, initial configuration requires either some server knowledge or help from someone who does. It's not plug and play. For those with privacy concerns, Passbolt is a strong contender because it can be hosted on your own infrastructure. No third-party cloud services involved, unless you choose to go with Passbolt's hosted version. But even then, their transparency as an open-source project gives some peace of mind. Support-wise, the free community edition gets you the basics, but if you want more advanced features like LDAP integration, REST API access, or priority support, you'll need the premium tier. Whether that's worth it really depends on the size and needs of your organization. Ultimately, Passbolt is not trying to be the prettiest or the easiest password manager out there. It's about security, control, and transparency. If you're a developer, sysadmin, or IT lead looking for a secure way to manage and share credentials across your team, Passbolt is worth considering, as long as you're ready for a slightly more technical ride. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews just like this.